Are you looking for a reliable and affordable used SU5? Well, with this hardy, reliable 2006 Hyundai Santa Fe GLS with its grippy all-wheel drive, you are going to get it. This superb Hyundai is one of the most sought-after used vehicles on the market, because it never lets owners down. This SU5 is nicely equipped with features such as all-wheel drive, air conditioning, alloy wheels, AM/FM radio, CD player, cruise control, power door locks, power door mirrors, power windows, and tilt steering wheel. Lifetime no-charge lube oil filter changes with your vehicle purchase at Malins. Visit Dan Mullen. Come to view the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report on this vehicle.